In today's world, climate change is the biggest problem as a species we currently face. Since the Industrial Revolution, we have been burning fossil fuels to create energy. However, these fossil fuels emit carbon dioxide through a burning process. Carbon dioxide in excess amounts can be detrimental to our society due to the greenhouse effect that carbon dioxide contributes to. The greenhouse gas effect works by reflecting some of the sun's light waves back into space while also trapping some of the light waves in Earth, right around here. We recently, since the Industrial Revolution to create electricity, have been burning a large amount of fossil fuels. This factory, for example, is releasing CO2 through the process of burning fossil fuels. We can also take carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere through photosynthesis with plants. Photosynthesis works by taking light from the sun and combining it with CO2 and releasing oxygen and then trapping the carbon in the plant. However, our net carbon dioxide has been increasing by 4 gigatons a year. In 2010, the European Union reported that the building sector accounts for approximately 32% of world energy consumption and accounts for nearly 34% of greenhouse gas emissions. Many alternative energy sources are available. One of the most effective of these in buildings is geothermal heating and cooling. Geothermal heating pumps work in three main parts. The heat exchanger, which are pipes dug into the ground. These are also sometimes called a geoloop, a heat pump, which is generally located in the basement, and some form of distribution to the rest of the house. This can be done through ventilation or through piping through the floors. The system works by, for example, in the summer, taking heat from the house and running it through these tubes where the heat is then transferred to the earth, which removes heat from the house. Whereas in the winter, it absorbs the heat from the earth and transfers it up to the house. And although it may be 38 degrees Fahrenheit outside currently, the ground beneath our feet remains approximately constant at 55 degrees Fahrenheit. The data in this table was recorded in Iceland, one of the leading countries for geothermal energy. From this table, we can see the mean saving would be $636 for a small pump and $707 for a large pump, making the payback period small in comparison to the amount you will end up saving.